Hi, we are going to unbox the Fire-Boltt BSW002 smartwatch. A lot of information on the box itself. It comes with a 1.69-inch color display, HD color display, full touch screen, and rotating button with SPO2. These are the different variants in which you will find this particular model. A lot more information at the back, like 1.69-inch full color display as mentioned, removable watch straps. We will try and do that. Training model for walking, running, cycling. Basically, these are your sports modes. Find phone, it's a very important feature. Do we have anything here? 500 nits peak brightness. From the looks of this particular picture over here, it seems that this display is pretty big. We will obviously have to take a closer look to be the judge of that. Yes, it's screen type 1.69 inches HD color display. Let's get a closer look. Brightness of 500 nits and usage time of up to 8 days. Once again, not bad. Let's open and see what the smartwatch. There you have it. This is the Fire-Boltt BSW002 smartwatch. Let's bring it out. This is obviously not the display. This is just a sticker. I'm going to remove the sticker. Probably because this particular device has no charge in it. But that's okay. I must say that the display, regardless, is a massive one compared to some of the other smartwatches that I have unboxed or seen recently. There you go. You can see the Fire-Boltt logo as well. The straps are not very thick, but solid regardless. As silicone straps, solid straps. A lot of grooves here, like plenty of grooves. So this will basically fit on any wrist. This is of course the user manual. It will help you on setting up this particular watch. So you should definitely read this. So this is a warranty registration card. And a couple of more other documents for different subscriptions and redeem codes and etc. Use them, use them if you want to, of course. And finally, we have a charging dock. This is the magnetic heads that connects to the smartwatch. So you attach it like so, and then connect the other side to a power socket. That's how you charge this particular smartwatch. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Fire-Boltt BSW002 smartwatch. Thank you for watching.